Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to see Wi-Fi passwords on your laptop or desktop. Alright, open your CMD command prompt and run as administrator. There, just say yes. There you go. Okay, I'll change the color of this command prompt window so that it becomes very visible for everyone right there. So don't mind about the color. I'll show you the color in the next video. Alright, using the Netsh command, type this command carefully. Netsh wireless LAN show profiles. So first we shall be showing profiles of the Wi-Fi networks that our laptop has ever connected to, and press enter after every command. Here you go. As you can see, these are the Wi-Fi networks that our laptop has ever connected to. Okay, next we shall show the password by typing Netsh wireless LAN show profiles, and then you write the name of the profile. In this case, I'll copy any of these profiles or networks, and probably I'll prefer using Infinix Note 8 Hot 8. And here I shall paste it over here, and then proceed by typing key equals clear. And press enter. Now here you go. I look for key material, key content, and key content is my password. In this case, I have facility 7 star as the Wi-Fi password. You can try out for more and more Wi-Fi networks on your PC, and I'll show you clearly this password. Type it in my CMD here and paste it. Here is the Wi-Fi password for Infinix Hot 8. As you can see, this is our key content, the password. So alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.